Alrighty. We lighting. I'm recording now. Dang, quality. Quality is dog water.
Once I like this one, we gotta run.
Look, I'm
gonna try to, but I'm just saying, if it don't work, it don't work.
You're more like togetherness, something like that. Be friendly. I don't know if I wanted it to. Ready?
Hey, hold on.
There we go. See if I can get this one here. Cut this way. Oh, you fucking whore. Your mother sucks elephant dicks.
You already know. I'm gonna post
No, don't come off of that one.
It's gonna be my second firework video on my.
Okay, how quick are you on that damn torch there?
I'm pretty
Hit
quick.
them two, get them two together again, and then put them two together, and then hit this last single one.
I'll say, I'm pretty quick with the torch. I could probably do them all 6 and run. Oh shit, now these ones fuck come apart. Uh-oh, I lost it.
Difficulties.
Yep.
Technical difficulties. We'll be right back.
Alrighty, we'll be right back.
When you take a video of them going up instead of sitting here loading them.
Yeah, we're not showing them how to do the motherfucker.
Yeah, this ain't a fucking tutorial.
This is
This
it's
is
both.
how you tie knots to another thing, and then you put them all 6 into 2.
Yup, guys. Welcome to the ultimate tutorial video. And now we're gonna like him.
Come on, hit it.
Yeah.
What the hell happened, guys?
No bueno. Okay, go. Here. Fuck,
Shit, the third one. Oh yeah, it fell down. Come on, don't fall off. Fucker, guys.
He's in the way.
Nailed him. That can't be all.
Nope. There's one. That's all.
Yeah. We're back. Okay.
What the fuck is whip it?
Whip it.
Whip it good.
Bop it. Twist it. Oh. Safety reasons first. Safety reasons first.
There's no safety. Run.
No safety here. We're a little bit retarded. So.
Low.
Hey, don't come back this way. Just go the other way. That way. You fucking stupid. God damn it, Bubba.
I don't like the low ones. They got butt buggers. Out yet.
Why is it so low?
They're following us. Friends just has to pick up that time of fucking light goddamn thing.
The one's trying to kill us today.
Oh, that's damn.
I don't know if that's the end or what the fuck.
Is that all of them?
Give it, man.
You gotta give it at least 60-second interval.
KMHs went off.
Another one.
Yeah. Long rifle.
Yeah, Mom and Dad's watching them from the porch.
And then.
Wow.
Hey,
God dang.
You're going my ear, you son of a bitch. Don't ear fuck me. Bastard.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this not made for kids.
Oh, Jenny got a t-shirt too? I got one on just like it.
I tell them give me a large and they give me like a fucking 2X. I'm like, this bitch will fit Jerry.
Well, I got large right here. I got one too.
I have
here we go.
Got
one.
I first put it on, I'm like, oh my god. I was like, big fucking pepper. What the hell? That was a shitty here.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
That one didn't even go off.
And I said, yeah, I don't feel like it today.
Wow! Wow!
I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. Watch.
Wow! Oh. Nope, that's it, I guess. Gonna do all of them?
Fuck yeah, son. You did it right, right?
Whoa. Whoa! Poo-poos. Bro's got a minigun, like an LMG.
My gun's moving faster than you motherfuckers are. Oh, that one's not like a fucking rocket. Oh, no. Oh, got her. Got it. Oh, wow.
Whoa, that one got close to you.
That one scared me. I tapped these last time I sit down and it wasn't done.
Is that 36 Roman candle package that I picked up, remember?
That one done. Next.
What the frick?
Jiggle, 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 shake, shake, shake. Get him going, get him going, get him going. Yeah.
Woo!
Fucking what that can't do.
You guys set these off already?
That's for the grand
That's the
finale.
last part.
Last part.
Because they didn't have no grand finale one.
No, it's fucking sold out of grand finale.
Yeah, so
We're
we're
gonna
doing
make
two
y'all
at the
big
same time.
again finale.
Okay, well.
Homemade grand finale, guys. So let's go. Man.
What's the weather today, Dick Otter?
You think he's gonna be a YouTuber when he's older?
Oh yeah, guys, you already
That's his
know.
career.
Yes, guys, you already know.
But let me
Big
tell
bucks,
ya,
big
When you
bucks,
turn 18, if you're living in my house, you better have a motherfucking job where you can get the fuck out.
big bucks today, guys.
'Cause
You
have
heard her,
money,
guys.
but
You
still
guys
haven't
got, you
done
guys gotta get me subscribers and